Hi, you guys. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine and you all are safe in your home at your place, and all your family members are fine as well. So, I hope none of you are going out unnecessarily. Okay, so today I'm sitting here to do a makeup tutorial after a very long time, and this is very nice, fun, candy, unicorn kind of makeup tutorial. So, let's begin with it. So for the first step, I will be using my Wow Skin Science toner because it's so humid, so sweaty and hot here. I just want to drench myself into the goodness of toner so that my pores will also be closed. Because of summer, we tend to open our pores even little extra. So I'm just closing it. I'm just tapping the excess product. Then next I'm using my Garnier cream to really moisturize and hydrate my skin so that my skin is all prepared and ready for the makeup that we are going to apply next. So I'm taking a generous amount of the cream and then I will be applying it to my entire face evenly, and I will be giving it a good massage. So after applying your cream, you have to wait for a very few seconds so that it gets absorbed into your skin, and so that nothing will later on layer up and will be removed easily. Look at that sign and hydration. Next, for the extra shine and glow, I'm using my MAC strobe cream because why not? We shine to the moon and back even if we are at home. So I'm applying the strobe cream very nicely to the high points of my face, and then I will be using a very dewy foundation. I didn't wanted to go for a matte foundation because then there will be no use of all those dewiness and preparation. So I'm taking the Elegant foundation with my PAC foundation brush. It is a very nice flat dense brush and it helps in applying the foundation very nicely, and it blends so easily. This foundation shade is little lighter for me, but we gonna work. So I'm just spreading the foundation and blending it evenly. Don't worry for the shade, we can later cover it up, but always try to get your own shade because then there will be less task for you guys. So I'm also covering my ears, covering my neck, everything. You just have to do all the blend and you have to make it look flawless. Next, to highlight and conceal my dark circles and all the dark spots and dark areas, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It is one or two shades lighter for my skin tone, but that's okay. For highlighting your face, you need to get a highlighting concealer that is a lighter shade. Next, I'm using my PAC concealer brush again to blend it beautifully. And I love PAC brushes. I love my brushes because they help in making the makeup look so flawless and so blendy, and they look so good because of the right brushes. So you have to choose your brushes very properly and very mindfully. So I'm just taking the baby hairs that are coming in my way and I'm blending my foundation. I don't know why I was having such serious face. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Compact Powder to set my face. Now this powder is little darker for my skin tone, and yes, I didn't exchange it because I knew it will be of use somewhere or other, and here we are using it to evenly mattify the base and also make the lighter foundation look better in our skin. Oh, by the way, who looks at the glow? Look at the glow on my face. I'm loving it. So I'm just pressing the powder and not baking it. So we don't want to bake it. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer to just get some shadow and some shine. Again, I didn't use a contour because I had all the contours which were too mattifying and I didn't want it to lose the glow. So I was using a bronzer. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. The color was gorgeous, the shade was very amazing, but the only problem I had was there was no pigment. So I had to continuously go back and forth to just make the shade look little poppy on my skin. So but still I love the blush even had some shimmers, so the glow didn't went anywhere, and because of our skin preparation also the glow lasted so long. Can you see my skin? It looks so good, so glowy and so nice. So now I'm just dusting off my face in case if I had some extra powder, and then I'm gonna set my brows with my Smashbox Brow Tech to Go brow setter. And I don't know where to go and where to do the lines and all, because the brows have become so unruly because of the lockdown. And then I'm just using the brow setting mascara one. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution fixing spray to fix all this glow and all the base. Look at the base. Look how glowy the base looks. I'm living for it. Comment me down below if you are also a glowy dewy person. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter to just give a little more highlightening to my face, because why not? And now I'm doing the same with the other side of my face, and then also I will be highlighting my nose, my cupid's bow and all. Then I'm taking the K Beauty by Katrina lip liner and Elf Cosmetics lip duo, and I will be filling in my lips. So once I'm done with this, we will be ready with our look. And then I have topped it up with a gloss. And look at the base. It's looking so flawless. No patchiness, no crackiness, no cakey base, nothing. Absolute flawless base I'm presenting to you. I hope you all like this video and you will show lots of love. So do like, comment, share and subscribe to my video. Love you.